Spirit, lead me where my trust is
Walking through.
without borders.
I like walking in the mud, barefoot. I really believe like that I'm from another planet or another dimension or another alternate reality. And so as hard as planet Earth is, it's actually a dream to walk on a Earth planet full of life. So walking outside in the mud in the eternity is going to be such a beautiful memory and blessing, feeling the rain, feeling the leaves, the cold leaves between my feet, seeing the water drip from the leaves, seeing all the different plant life, all the different tree life. I really feel like it's a blessing. So